Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating simple barriers. Restart the phone and close heavy apps so CPU and audio pathways are free. Once done, inspect the microphone and charging port visually. Remove lint with a soft brush or brief compressed air bursts at a 45 degrees angle to avoid damage. If you need confirmation, switch to speakerphone or plug in a wired headset to see if voice improves. This tells you whether the hardware or software is responsible, and then you move forward purposefully. You now tackle software causes. Update the operating system and carrier settings because audio codecs and priority rules change with updates. Next, reset app permissions. Grant mic access, allow background activity, and toggle any noise suppression features. This can restore proper signal routing. Then clear the cache or reinstall the calling app and test using airplane mode with Wi-Fi calling to remove cellular variables. Make sure to record a short test clip so you can compare before and after changes. For the final steps, if software and basic cleaning don't help, consider the hardware. Reseat or replace the microphone module using ESD safe tools or ask a pro. Physical contacts fail over time. Once swapped, add a small directional foam or an external clip on mic to ensure consistent clarity across environments. If problems persist, perform a factory reset as the last resort, but first back up your data. If you still have issues, try this troubleshooting tip. Test the mic on another device to isolate the failure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.